In 1932, Australia faced an unusual enemy: emus. After World War I, many soldiers returned to the rural districts of Western Australia to farm. However, emus invaded these lands, consuming crops and causing chaos. Frustrated farmers sought government help, leading to the deployment of soldiers armed with machine guns. What followed was an absurd battle against the flightless birds. Despite initial hopes, the emus proved elusive and resilient, dodging bullets and scattering in groups. Over 2 operations, only a small fraction of the emu population was eliminated, and the soldiers faced ridicule. The war ended in failure, highlighting the absurdity of trying to control nature with military force.